How to check your order status on Best Buy. So if you want to check your order status on Best Buy, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Best Buy. And then you can go for the first search, which is www.bestbuy.com, and it will take you to your website. And once it's opened the website, now here on the upper right, you can simply go for account option, which is here, and make sure to sign into your account. And once logged in, if you want to check your order status, then here on the upper right of your screen, you will have order status. Click on order status, and here I have not purchased anything till now, so I don't have any orders. But if you have any orders, then you can simply click on that order, and once you click on that, you will have all of the information about the order. So that's how you check your order status on Best Buy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.